How did I get this home into escrow $250,000 over the asking price and make sure my seller didn't pay a single dollar after inspections? It was strategy. From pricing to positioning to how we created competition and negotiated every detail. This was all intentional. Most agents focus on getting the home sold. I focus on getting my seller the absolute best terms and price possible.